Hi everyone, it's Jay Burress here, back for this week's destination update. Today I'm at the Anaheim Packing House, an upscale food hall with local vendors and bars in a renovated historic 1919 citrus packing house. All the feelings of fall are now in flavor at the Anaheim Packing District. From apple pie waffles to pumpkin pie gelato shakes, there are plenty of seasonal offerings now available. And there are several ways to support these great small businesses, including takeout, indoor dining with limited capacity, outdoor dining, and even delivery. Also, now available here at the Packing House is the new vendor White Elephant. In Thai culture, the white elephant represents fortune, purity, and power, as well as being well-grounded. That's exactly what the newest Anaheim Packing House restaurant exemplifies. These concepts are echoed through clean, yet powerful flavors in a carefully curated modern Thai menu, assured for quality rather than quantity. To keep in the spirit of the fall season, let's talk about Halloween this weekend. As you know, this year's Halloween is going to look a little bit different. Even though we can't do our normal trick-or-treating or parties this year, there's still ways to enjoy costumes, candy, and fun without putting your family at risk. One option in Anaheim this weekend is a drive-in concert. Electronic artist and producer Cascade will bring his road trip tour to the City National Grove of Anaheim's DriveIn OC concert series this weekend. Or if you feel like staying in, you can enjoy the spirit of spooky season from home with Anaheim's Fall Festival online celebrations. Head to AnaheimFallFestival.org to view their virtual variety shows, be inspired with do-it-yourself crafts and more. We wish you a safe and fun-filled weekend and look forward to seeing you again next week.